Nice.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like
So yeah guys, so first and foremost we're gonna start off by cleaning the chicken foot. We're gonna clean it as clean as possible because we don't want no dirty feet in our mouth, right? Anyhow, so we're gonna cut the toes off like completely. No toes, no toenails, nothing like that. And after that we're gonna give it a little slice in the middle, and we're gonna continue to do that for the rest of them. Then we're gonna just move on from there. Yeah, so we're all going right here. So now I clean my chicken foot with some fresh lemon, and also I got vinegar. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna ensure I wash my chicken foot properly so I can move on to the next step in preparing the seasoning and stuff, you know, the good. So yeah, stay tuned guys. So yeah guys, you guys don't pay me any mind struggling to close the pot. I was recording with one hand and trying to close the pot with the other, so don't judge me guys, I got it.
Come closer.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like